Hi, I'm Aditya, and I am so thrilled to share this big milestone with you. Our first anniversary. Over the past year, Rolljack has brought delightful 21st century learning experiences to thousands of people around the world, and we could not have done it without you. Our journey this past year has been marked by numerous feature releases and improvements. As we remain committed to improving 21st century learning, but also 21st century teaching, we recognize one of the key struggles with introducing any sort of interactive training is actually content creation. That is why I'm so proud today to announce the launch of our new AI-powered question generator. This is a cutting-edge feature that simplifies content creation for everyone by intelligently generating questions about any subject for any grade in seconds. Let's talk about the year ahead. In the upcoming year, you can expect a much smoother product with a lot more focus on analytics and workflow integration. As part of our first anniversary celebration, we are offering a limited time 50% discount on all our subscription plans. We want to make Rolljack even more accessible to everyone who believes in the power of game-based learning. Thank you for your continuous support and feedback. It has been instrumental to help us build a better product. Together, we can continue reshaping the future of education. So start rolling with us today.